How to change the language settings in Microsoft Word 2019. Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the language settings in Microsoft Word 2019. Whether you're working on a multilingual document or just need to switch languages for spell check, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, go to the File tab. Move down and then select Options. In the Word Options dialog box, click on Language in the left sidebar. Here, you can manage editing languages, display language preferences, and even add more languages to your list. Now to add the language, click on this option. Now go on and select the language that you would like to add. Let me select Germany. Click on Add. Now here you can see proofing is not installed, so click on it to add the language. This will open up the Microsoft web page. Move down under Install the Language Accessory Pack. Here select the language pack that you would like to install. Now go on to select the 64-bit download. Now the software will start to download. When done, click to open. Let me close all these. Okay. Now the software will start to download the language pack that we select. Okay. Now when done, click on Start to open Microsoft Word. Again, click on the file. Click on Options. Click on Language. Now here you can see the German language is now added. Even you can see proofing installed. Okay. Now move up here and then click to move the German language at the top. After that, click on OK. Here you will see Please restart Office so that your language changes can take effect. Click on OK. Now go on Open the Word again to see. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the language settings in Microsoft Word 2019. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.